Hello guys, Chris and Owen HD Gamers here today, and we are bringing you a FIFA 14 video. Chris is playing the first half and I'm playing the second half. As you can see, we are in the 4K tournament. Yeah, your team has to have 100 chemistry and you win a 4K prize. Let's see how we do. And we are on the attack. Great ball over the top, finish. Oh, Soldado should be finishing them. There, what a ball over the top. Foul. Finish. Finish, Chris. Oh, that should have been a foul. Oh, the attack's still on. What a ball. Oh, good defending. Right, so Real Madrid now on the attack. Come on, Chris. Oh, good tackle. Oh, maybe not. Oh, what a tackle. Now Chris is on the attack from Real Madrid's attack. Great ball. Oh, unlucky. Oh, hang on, it's still on. Oh, the attack's still on. Oh, maybe it's not. He's offside. Real. Oh, Real Madrid now on the attack, but Chris clears it quickly and easily. Great ball. Oh, good defending from Real Madrid. By the way, if you guys are wondering where you get this tournament, it's just in the single player. Your team has to have the minimum of 100 chemistry, which is the maximum really, and the prize of winning it will be 4K. Real Madrid on the attack. Oh, what a save from whoever's in net. Who's got in net? Lloris. Well done, Lloris. Great save. Oh, well defended, Chris. Oh, shit. Bloody Ronaldo on the ball. Well, that was a shit shot. Shitty shot from Ronaldo. Right, and now, oh, it's unlucky that. Thought that was going to be an attack. Oh, but this is not going to be an attack for Real Madrid. Oh, Soldado. Oh, that's unlucky. Right, and Real Madrid have now got a forward in attacking position.
Big David!
Well done, David Luiz. Great ball out wide. Leighton Baines on the ball. Gives it inside to Jan Vertonghen. Back out to Baines. Baines with a shit pass to Real Madrid, and Real Madrid are on the attack now with Benzema. Great standing up there from David Luiz. Oh,
Big David!
Big David again. And they are on the attack now. It's a ball over the top. It's a great ball. It's a peach. It's a peach. Oh! Right, as you can see, the first half has been played by Chris, and me, Owen, is commentating. Oh, what a shot! Oh, and now we're playing next half, and Chris will be commentating. Won't you, Chris?
Yeah, but don't expect it to be like top class because some shit at commentary.
Andy Graham, Martin Tyler. Edit, win it. Oh, well, that's a bit of an air, the ball. Go on, Chris, get a goal before half time. There is 7 minutes left. Surely. Oh, that's unlucky.
Yeah, okay.
Alright, and Soldado to Walcott in the box. Oh, but there's no one there.
Yeah, fucking noob.
As you can see, there is 2 minutes left of the half before I will be taking over. Good football. Great football, shall I remake that phrase. Oh, Soldado. Oh, kill him. Just friggin' raped him. So unlucky there from Chris.
That's what you call a rape noise.
As you can see, this is the first half over. Chris will now be commentating and taking over the camera, and I shall be playing. Thank you. While we are changing over the person, if you don't mind, please would you like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and comment what series you'd like to see down below in the comments. Thank you.
As you can see, it's now the second half, and Owen will be taking over.
Come on, boys.
Yeah, lads.
Oh, well,
That was a poor attack. Now Real Madrid are on. Schools. Oh, brilliant tackle. Soldado. Oh, I don't know who this is, but it's gone over. Good clearance. It's gone out wide. Switch wings. It's now Walcott. On Tez. Oh, he's kept it in.
Oh, shut up, Bill.
Edit!
Oh!
Orgasm! Big David to Bainsy. Shirley.
Get Tez,
Oh,
mate.
Tez.
Get Tez.
Oh, strength. He's whipped it in. Oh!
Honey, porridge, sturridge.
Porridge, Sturridge, whoever.
Whatever you call it. Big David!
David. Fucking tackle lah. Real Madrid are now on the attack, but it's another good tackle. But he's lucky.
Yes.
Real Madrid on the attack on the edge of the box. What a fucking tackle.
Well,
Gone
the
to
referee
Shirley.
just snapped his leg.
Vertonghen.
What a ball.
Now gone to Wilshere. Went over top to Porridge. Stroke Sturridge.
Oh, that was a friggin'
Good tackle by Sturridge. Wilshere. Soldado. Oh. Soldado. He shoots.
Finish.
Oh, no.
Oh, get Tez.
Oh, he's whipped it in. Oh.
So unlucky. Oh, that was a good pass.
Oh.
Oh. Why has he not won that? It seems a bit wrong, that.
Yeah, I know.
And what a tackle.
Good
Oh,
tackle.
the ball.
Oh.
Fucking play.
Ronaldo's got it. It's gone through to whoever he is. It's gone to Ozil, although he doesn't play for them. Should update it more often. Please leave that in the comments if you think they should update it more often.
Even not the actual online, just the single player
Yeah.
tournament.
Oh.
Good ball.
Kagawa.
Shinky. It's off
Ronaldo. Oh, what a tackle.
Go.
Sturridge, or whoever it is.
What the friggin' hell was that for a touch?
Touch of me, Nan. Oh, he's got it. Yeah! Fuck off! Fucking get it! Yes! Touch of me, Nan, but it was all worth it in the end.
Let's just watch the replay.
Hey!
Yeah.
Replay.
The replay of the goal. It was a great one. It was an awful touch, but he puts it back in.
Real Madrid kicking off from the goal, which had the touch of the rapist, etc. He's on the attack again, Soldado. Ooh, good tackle though. It's Cristiano Ronaldo. It's gone to Ozil.
Pretty hard to tackle him.
Sure.
Oh,
Oh, he just did.
Oh,
Shirley, with the skills. That failed to be honest. But he's got it back. He's at it again, and he's failed again.
Oh, that was a good pass.
Big David!
Fucking tackle. Oh,
Shake the bag.
oh, it's gone
Big
through to
David's
Ronaldo.
got it. Big David.
Big David, the wheel.
What the hell was that for a touch? What a tackle from Jan. Big Jan.
It's going to Sturridge. Sturridge can't hold it up because he's a 5.
That's the only thing with Sturridge. If he had his strength, he'd be sick on the game.
Yeah, like his team at season.
Team season ain't even that strong. I've used it.
Yeah, but still better. It's just got more pace.
Talking
so
about
just
team of the
blitzing.
seasons, comment down below which team of the season you think is the best, and which ones you have packed. If you have packed any team of the seasons.
Unfortunately for us, we haven't packed any.
I haven't really opened that many packs.
I opened 10 at first fucking team at season.
Yeah.
Lucky by the shots.
Oh, yeah, you got none.
Have you heard?
Been out for fucking ages, lad, who's sat behind me who I don't fucking know. Oh, right. I know what you mean. Can you please get away? Stop fucking pervert on me. Sorry about that. That's
It's
just
just,
like some
it's
perv in the window.
Nah, it's just
Sucking windows.
It's his little brother called Bill, right? And he'll probably be in most of the videos because he's a little shit and he always comments on everything we say.
He like pervs, he likes licking my ass, sucking my dick.
Shit.
Ronaldo, oh,
That door, you
right.
arsehole!
Do you mind?
Shut up there, they're only about 4.
I'm Nan.
Brackets, whatever he said then.
I'm Nan.
Schürrle on the attack.
Oh. Oh.
Skills. He's doing them all. Oh, he's shot. Oh! Oh, so unlucky. So unlucky. Get out the way, Owen. Goal kick to Real Madrid. On the attack, Real Madrid. Sergio Ramos, whoever that was in the middle then. Whoever he is, can't fucking say the name because he's so faggot. Ozil.
Shit, the bloody on toast on a bed. That's just been made by my Uncle Fred.
Oh, that's nice.
Shit, Lloris can.
Lloris has got rid of it.
Come on, boys.
And we have won.
Get to the quarterfinals.
We have won.
Yeah.
Quarterfinals, here we come.
Quarterfinals, here we come. Let's see who we get.
As you can see, Kagawa was the man of the match.
And we've got 415 coins, which ain't too bad.
Yes.